And today it's the 30th of October 2021. Look at this. It's a green Kalmota.
Yeah.
Beautiful, isn't it? It's what was the address again, actually?
Paalukylänpolku 3.
Yeah. I will just check the address in Swedish. It's here.
Yeah. Yeah.
It's here in Myyrmäki, Myyrmäki, Länsi-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa, Västra-Vantaa in the Helsinki Helsingfors region. Uusimman in Finland. Of course, this deck is the best one. This is the rear panel. I have filmed it also. The wife was here. This number is A68631. It was built in 1997, possibly early 1997. Turning 25 years old in the next year, 2022. And it's going to be inspected in 2023. This is very nice.
Yeah.
Has that special little green hole button. It's probably a spare part.
Yeah.
But that's quite special too.
Yeah.
We're gonna do a second silent ride. This is completely impossible to get inside because there's nothing here. No code, nothing.
Yeah. These bike is maintained by Kone.
Also here in this district we have now only 10 or 12 elevators left from the 1990s.
Yeah.
And 10 from the 1970s.
That's